Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Der Apfel. This one you've probably already heard sometimes, as learning the fruit names is one of the first things you learn when you start learning a foreign language. Still, it's worth checking out today's video, as you might learn even more about the apple. Der Apfel. Der Apfel. Der Apfel. Der Apfel. The PF is maybe a little bit hard to pronounce. Just like blowing out air. And the E at the end gets silent, so we only hear the L. Der Apfel. The meaning of this word is very simple. It only means apple. Der Apfel is a masculine noun and has a somewhat tricky plural form. Die Äpfel. Keep your eye on this umlaut. Let's check out some examples. 1 Kilo Äpfel bitte. Can I have a kilo of apples, please? Ich esse einen Apfel. I'm eating an apple. Jeden Herbst ernten wir Äpfel. We pick apples every fall. Magst du kandierte Äpfel? Do you like toffee apples? Für diesen Kuchen brauchen wir nur einen Apfel. For this cake we only need one apple. Want to level up? Here are some sayings which have the word Apfel in them. Der Apfel fällt nicht weit vom Stamm. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. In den sauren Apfel beißen. Literally, it means to bite in the sour apple, or to bite the bullet. Der Apfel is a masculine noun meaning apple, and the plural is die Äpfel. And now quickly check your knowledge with an exercise. Connect the sentence with its translation. Write your answers in the comments and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!